Putting air in your tires. Uh-oh, you've got flat tires on that old garage bike? Let's get you rolling again. Properly inflated bike tires will help you avoid flats and make your ride way more comfortable. You'll probably just need a bike pump. If you don't have one, you can air up at a gas station. A little history. Before the invention of pneumatic tires, bikes had metal wheels. Ouch! You'll need to be able to work on your bike hands-free, so prop it up however you like. Check the sidewall of your tire to find the recommended PSI or pressure range. You'll need a bike pump that's compatible with your valve. There are two common valve types in the United States: Schrader valves and Presta valves. With Presta valves, you need to unscrew the valve tip first. You can get a converter that screws onto your Presta valve so that you can air up at a gas station in a pinch. Watch the pressure gauge to make sure you don't overinflate. It's more common that people underinflate their tires, which makes your bike more susceptible to pinch flats. You should always pump your tires so that they are within the recommended pressure range. The dust cap on the valve is not essential, but sure, put it back on when you're done. Thanks! Have fun riding!